Good morning. We have this wonderful vacuum cleaner. I need to show you. This looks like a space machine. So this is how you empty it. I just used it. Bloop. Look at this.
My God, so easy.
It is so simple.
Wow. Wait, let me get a close look.
You can just get it out.
But you have to wash your hands afterwards.
You have to wash your hands, and you have to wash this filter every 2 weeks. And this. Ta-da. Now it's finished.
But it's a space machine.
Space machine. And now
It looks like like a gun for fighting in Star Trek.
And now I get the special equipment, and now I'm going to clean my room.
Oh my God, so exciting!
Can you see it? This is the dust and it's swirling around.
Wow.
Isn't this amazing?
It is.
So, I wish you a wonderful cleaning and happy Sabbath. Bye bye.
Bye.